The controversial statewide election bill that Texas House Democrats left the state for weeks to try to stop is now law.
Several lawsuits have already been filed to block it. Adam Bennett showing us what changes with the law and what's next in the battle.
More than 130,000 registered voters in Harris County used drive-through voting and 24-hour voting in 2020 here at Energy Park and other sites. Now, those methods are no longer allowed under this new law, at least for now.
A few seconds of signing Senate Bill 1 in Tyler ended a few months of fighting the same bill in Austin.
Election integrity is now law in the state of Texas.
Senate Bill 1 ends 3 new things Harris County did or tried in 2020 during the pandemic: drive-through voting, 24-hour voting, and sending unsolicited mail-in ballot applications to registered voters. This bill sets new hours for early voting, and it adds ID requirements for mail-in voting. It also lets voters fix mistakes on those mail ballots. The bill requires training for partisan poll watchers, but also gives them free movement inside a polling place.
If you're in line now during early voting, you show up at the polls and the polls close, under Senate Bill 1, for the first time in Texas, you must be allowed to vote.
Less than 5 minutes after the bill's signing, LULAC and other civil rights groups sued to block it. They believe SB 1 makes it harder to vote, especially for communities of color.
This is not about protecting the ballot box. This is about making sure that it is harder for veterans who have fought in the Vietnam War and in Korea to vote. If they're seniors, it makes it difficult to get an absentee ballot.
While lawyers battle over the fate of the bill in court,
This is a really horrific bill.
Democrat Congresswoman Sylvia Garcia vowed to continue the fight in the nation's capital.
And we're going to do everything we can in Congress to continue toward passing H.R. 1 and H.R. 4, the John Lewis Act and the For the People Act.
There are a lot of other changes in this new 76-page law. We have posted a detailed breakdown of some of the key changes at khou.com. Back to you.